Hey guys, I'm David.
And I'm LaShawn. I'm your travel agent with WeTravelingLLC.
Welcome back to the channel. As you know, if you follow any of our other videos, we're trying to make sure we provide you some of our experience of traveling around the world, as well as how we can help you have some of those same premium experiences. But we have some exciting news. We have the Princess Cruise Medallion has just arrived for our cruise coming up. The Medallion has changed and so has the app. So we wanted to show you a little bit of unboxing of the new Medallion and then as well as how it works with the app. You're going to really want to stay tuned for this one. All right, so here we go. I'm going to open up our Medallion package for the very first time so you guys can kind of see the actual unboxing and what you will see when you get your Medallion for your Princess Cruise. So it comes in a padded pouch. It's pretty well protected. I like that. And then when we come out, this is what it looks like. This is the box with the Medallion in it. You got a QR code here. Did I have that outside? Right, QR code that can be scanned with the app. But let's get into what it looks like. We're going to slide the box open.
Oh, before you do, look on this side. It says, "I love this." That's
and
cute.
We do, especially when we're about to cruise. So let's slide this guy open. And what do we have on top? The famous Medallion. As you know, this Medallion was updated earlier in the year, but that's give you a little close-up of what that Medallion will look like when you get it. And we're going to use this Medallion while we're on the ship, of course, because it can find us wherever we are. We can use it to go in and out of our room. It works really nice for the app, and we'll show you some of the things on the app. The app has been updated, so we'll show you some of those new things on the on the app as well. So stay tuned, and we'll get right into the app. All right, guys, here's another view of the Medallion when it comes to you. We opted to have it shipped to us, which is always preferable in advance. As you can see, it has my wife's name on there and the actual date of your cruise, indicating the voyage. So we're going to take a look a little bit further at the app, and let's switch over to that view. All right, let's show you what it actually looks like as you unbox it completely. LaShawn's going to go through what's included. That's the back of the Medallion. Pretty cool. And that's the clip. We actually, because we bought the Premier package, we got a clip that came with the Medallion as an accessory, a free accessory, or nothing's free, it's included with our package, but that's what the clip looks like, and that can clip onto a hat or a belt or something.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And then you have the part that holds the Medallion.
All right, so that's the Medallion holder. Right, clear, hard plastic.
And that can go on your lanyard.
Yep, right in the middle there. All right, that is it. We got a few. What else is in the box, LaShawn?
Let's see. I think that's it.
That's it. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, so let's take the Medallion. No. Oh, what else we got in here?
There's more. There's more.
There's more.
That's the lanyard.
Okay, right there. That's the lanyard that comes with it. It's included. All right, let's go on and switch to look at what the app looks like. All right, so let's take a look at the new updated Princess app. As you can see, we are 1 day away from embarkation. LaShawn, can you go through and walk through some of the features of the app? Maybe looking at the home screen starting off?
Sure. On the home screen, you have everything that you need to do. It walks you through what you need to do to check in. This green check mark means that I've done everything that I need to check in on the cruise. You have different packages, your boarding pass information, your luggage tags, everything right at your fingertips in the very first part of on the home page of the app. Then you have your welcome message, And again, it walks you through, do you want to make view or reserve dining, upgrade your packages, your Wi-Fi at sea plans, and then of course at the bottom you have different options to choose as well. There's services, well, that's it, your journey, it shows your journey. You're able to select everything you want to do on that day. And then you can, of course, look at the ship's schedule. And on the ship's schedule, it shows you everything. Well, after you hit entire schedule, it shows you everything that's available on the ship that day. Everything from morning to evening. And as you go through and you see things that you want to participate in, you just click on it. And then you're able to select that event. If you want to participate in that event, you just bookmark it. And then every day, when you look at your schedule, or not, who wants to have a schedule on vacation? Every day when you look on that particular day to see the events, you can see what's available, and you will see what you've put a heart beside so that you don't miss those events if that's something that you want to participate in. So it goes through each day of your sailing so that you see each day what you'll be doing in addition to the location that you will stop at. And you can do shore excursions. It tells you the time that you'll be arriving at those locations. That's about it. So let's go back. You're able to also chat with the crew if you need something. This is an option, a way to do that, to chat with your crew member. And then, of course, you have your profile that has all of your information there.
Hey, how'd you get your picture in there?
That was part of the process when you initially set up your Medallion. You initially put a picture, select a picture to put there.
Right, so that becomes part of your profile. And then it actually helps you as a crew looking for you. If you were to order on ship, they know what you look like based on your profile, and of course your Medallion. They know your location. So I always encourage people to update a recent picture in that profile so that the crew can use that to locate you. Going back to the home page, also if you notice at the top, it also will tell you if you are all checked in. So we are checked in with the green check. That means all our documentation has been updated and we are ready to go. Let's take a look at that. Can you check on that? Click on that. So we can see here, you know you are ready to go when it says complete required check-in steps and everything is green and checked to go. We won't show you everything on this page, but you always want to go here and make sure you have a green check prior to arrival, and that way that'll speed up the time that you have to board the ship. All right, and then at the top again, let's take a look at the packages. If you click on packages, you also can add to the packages you've already purchased. One thing for me that was a little confusing, we have the Princess Premier package, but if you scroll through it, it almost seems like you are able to purchase an additional package.
Oh, not anymore. They updated it.
Okay, so I know up till about 5 days before the cruise, they will actually show prices of all the packages. And it's not until you scroll to the very bottom do they show a total of 0, indicating that you did purchase a package. Of course, if you didn't choose a package, these will show up all the way up to the day of embarkation. But as you can see here, a day before it updated to show what we had purchased. And you can watch another video that really understand the Princess Premier package, but we chose at this time to really kind of get the full experience and see what Princess has to offer. All right, so that's the new app. Anything else you want to show them? Oh, let's go to Profile. On Profile, again, that's the area where you can find details about your particular cruise. And if you scroll up a little bit slower, you'll see some of the things that are your preferences. Here's your dining preferences can be found. Different things that you want to specify, like for your room. If you have, let's click on room. if you have anything within the room that you want to specify, like how the bed is set up, you would go here on this app, this part of the app. Now, one of the other things that's pretty neat in here, if you scroll to the top, you're able to see, again, some more about your package. If we go back a little bit, so we're on the Sky Princess. So here we get to see some details about different things that we have set up on the ship. So a good place to take a look at that here. All right, so this is a general overview of what the app looks like. I like it. It got updated probably about 3 weeks ago. Easy to install, and it picked up my login information. It went right into the new app. So let me know if you got your medallion in the mail, what you thought about the new app. And as usual, if you made it this far, please subscribe and like. We'd like to know if this content is really helpful. And we look forward to giving you more content, especially from the Sky Princess. Take care.
Take care.